Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am really excited because this is the first time I'm collaborating with another YouTuber. So I'm collaborating with Marla from Marla's Healthy Life. She's another holistic nutritionist that has such informative videos. Go check them out, they are amazing. She asked me if I wanted to collaborate and I was like, of course. So we are basically sharing one of our favorite recipes to support a system in the body. So Marla is doing one for liver health and I'm doing one for adrenals, of course, skin health, hormones, and stress, my favorite subjects, and I will be sharing that in the video today. Before I get into it, I want to tell you guys about the giveaway we're doing, so you guys have a chance to win some amazing goodies. Marla will be giving away a bunch of vegan goodies. You guys need to go check out her video to see what exactly she's giving away, and I will be giving away one of my best-selling skincare sets, so the Daily Essentials set. So basically what this includes is your cleanser, your toner, so I'll show you guys each product. So cleanser, your toner, and your serum. So this will be your moisturizer. So they're all full size, and then it also comes with the microfiber cloth. So this one is what you would use with the cleanser. This is my best-selling set and it regularly retails for $123. You'll be getting all of this for free if you win. So enter the giveaway. All of the details are going to be in the description. The main thing you need to do is subscribe to both mine and Marla's channel, so Shelby Naturals and Marla's Healthy Life. And for extra entries, you guys can go give us a follow on Instagram. So our Instagram is Shelby Naturals and Marla's is Marla's Healthy Life. So that's about it. So let's get into making the drink. So this drink includes a few ingredients. I'm gonna go through the benefits of each ingredient and why they are so good for balancing your adrenals for stress, skin, and hormones. So the first ingredient I'm doing is goji berries. So goji berries are super high in vitamin C. They are actually an adaptogenic. So what that means is that they adapt to your body and help to directly support your adrenal glands, reducing cortisol. And this is the main factor. High cortisol is what causes inflammation in the body, stress, and it comes from stress, anxiety, and also creates stress and anxiety and skin issues like acne, inflammation. So this is an amazing ingredient. Goji berries are also super high in antioxidants and minerals, so it has so many benefits, and really high in vitamin C. And we all know vitamin C for the skin and body is amazing. Helps to neutralize all those free radicals that cause aging and all that stuff that we just don't even want. So goji berries is the first one. This is a brand that I really love, and I will be linking everything in the description so you guys can check it out. And then I also have schisandra berries. So this is also going to be in the recipe. Schisandra berries are probably the highlight ingredient of everything that we're going to be putting into this drink today. They are amazing for helping to balance and support your adrenal glands. Schisandra berries are again another adaptogen, so they really adapt to your body. Your body can use them on a cellular level. They help to reduce anxiety, stress, they boost your mood, help to balance your hormones. And schisandra berries also lower your cortisol as well. So they are again amazing for hormones, skin. So the third thing we'll be putting in is hibiscus. So hibiscus is actually amazing for flushing out your body, so flushing your liver, your kidneys, but also directly supports your adrenals by again lowering and reducing cortisol. So it helps to balance that cortisol uptake. So that's when things like inflammation happen. So super amazing. Hibiscus also reduces puffiness under the eyes, so cool tip there. The fourth thing we're going to be adding is ginger root. So ginger is actually super great for reducing cortisol. So that was one thing I never even knew about ginger. I always knew, you know, it's great for digestion and for if you have any stomach issues, but it is actually amazing for balancing your cortisol, helps with stress, anxiety, and the skin too. So ginger, what is amazing. Then the last few things we'll be needing for the drink is rose water. So rose water you can really find anywhere. I actually found this at a Middle Eastern store. So it is generally used in the Middle East, in Persia, in a lot of desserts and meals. Rose water actually cools the body, so it reduces inflammation. So it helps to reduce acne, redness, and any puffiness in the skin too. So amazing. And then we'll just be needing a couple other ingredients for our drink. So So sparkling water, so this just helps to dilute the tea because it will be quite strong, and it helps the drink to taste delicious. And then the stevia, so this is something I'm just going to be using to basically give a bit of sweetness to the drink. If you don't like stevia, you can also use raw honey as well. Let's dive in and make it. So what you guys need is a mason jar. So this is just a staple mason jar. What I'm going to do is be adding in a half a cup of goji berries first. So you just add that right into the jar. I love goji berries. They're so good, and they're a great snack actually. And then the second thing we'll be adding is a teaspoon of schisandra berries. So again, just right into the jar. Hibiscus. So we need a quarter cup of hibiscus. Just make sure I get that in without spilling it. And then last but not least, we're just gonna throw in a ginger chunk. So I just peeled off the skin, as you guys can see. It is just a plain piece of ginger, and I'm gonna pop it in there. It's probably about like a teaspoon size of ginger, so a good chunk. So once this is all mixed in here, we're gonna add some boiling water. So just to fill up the jar, so be careful not to hold the jar because it will get hot from the hot water. And you just wanna fill it up to the top. That's it. And I am going to add a plate over the top just to let it steep. So we're gonna let it steep for about an hour, and then I will see you guys to finish up the recipe. So just set it aside out of the way for 1 hour. Okay guys, so it has been an hour, and what I did was I also stuck it in the fridge for another couple hours just to chill down a bit. So what you guys wanna do is strain out everything. So what I used was just a really mini strainer. I actually picked it up at the dollar store. You can grab them anywhere, and I strained it into another mason jar or another, you know, pitcher, anything. Like, you can strain it into anything, and made sure that everything was taken out. So this is just the pure concentrated tea. What I'm gonna do is finish up the recipe with you guys. Now you guys can strain it out after an hour, and of course it's still gonna be a bit warm, and then finish the recipe and then chill it, or chill it first and then finish the recipe. It's really up to you. So I'm gonna be adding in a tablespoon of rose water. So we're just gonna add that right into there. Oops, that was really overflowing. Little extra there, little extra benefits. And we're gonna add maybe just a pinch of stevia. If you're using honey, I would probably recommend like a teaspoon or two, just to add a bit of sweetness. But I'm just gonna use maybe a couple dashes of stevia, just to give it a bit more sweetness. And then I'm going to shake it up. So just put the lid on and give it a little bit of a shake. I would probably recommend doing it over a sink, which is right beside me here, because just in case your mason jar isn't completely closed and that explodes, I'm sure it probably will stain white clothing, which is what I'm wearing right now. Okay, so now we're ready to serve this baby. So what you need, a glass. I'm going to pour in about 2 tablespoons of our tea here, our adrenal drink. You don't need a lot because it's super concentrated. So, you know, maybe I'll do 3 tablespoons, just a little more. And then I'm going to add in some sparkling water. Ooh, snap. So again, just filling up the cup. So you could do like a quarter of the tea and 3/4 of the sparkling water. And that is it, guys. This is your drink, and it's such a beautiful color. So you can see how many antioxidants and vitamin C is actually in this baby. So good. This is delicious. And you guys can drink this drink every day. You can use it for entertaining, so if you're having a party. Sparkling adrenal drinks, everyone, hello. And what's really cool is I actually adapted this recipe from the Moon Juice cookbook. This is one of my favorite cookbooks, and as you can see, I have a few of my other cookbooks over here. And they have a great recipe. This is where I got the idea from, and I kind of adapted a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Remember to turn on the bell so you guys are notified every time I post. And please follow both Marla and I on Instagram. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to enter the giveaway, and I hope you guys win. See you guys in the next video. Bye!